And single shines the triple sun. What was sundered and undone shall be whole, the two make one. By Gelfling hand, or else by none. By Gelfling hand? Do you know what that means, Kira?
Wait. This is a piece of the dark crystal.
Then that's what my master meant.
Yes.
One man's God is another man's devil. It's basically saying that both of them are God or both of them are the devil, in the sense of any form of polarity or extremes is going to turn the other side into the devil. If I'm extremely for hot water, then the cold water is the devil. If I'm extremely for cold water, the hot water, the devil. It's all about who telling the story. You know, salt used to get rid of bad spirits, so to speak. But what does salt do to the body or to water? You know, like when you eat a lot of salt, make you feel dried up, like, you know, like you're lacking water. So whatever or whoever came up with the idea of using salt to combat quote unquote evil, they probably had something against water. And it was on the flip side of that, you know, somebody who feel that water or holy water, you know what I'm saying, is something to get rid of evil. They probably was trying to, you know what I'm saying, get rid of salty shit. You know what I'm saying? Who telling the story? You know what I'm saying? And hence why what's funny is on some old country shit, you know, instead of saying lie, like, you know, your old big mama be like, you know, don't call me no lie. You know, it'd be like you gotta say you're telling a story. Like, oh, he storied on me. Remember that old country ass shit? He storied on me. He told a story on me. He lied on me. You know what I'm saying? Bro, it be in all the shit. You know, so you come to the realization that it must, you know, to maintain the vibe of not turning anybody into, you know, a devil or a god, is to just find that balance and equilibrium, the yin and yang symbol. I know I got some salt in me. I know I got some water in me. I got some desert and I got some wetness. You know what I'm saying? I know that ain't sound good, but you know what I'm saying? You get the point. And how's the vibe break? Peace.